You like tapping, huh? Bum, 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 bum. This is fun. You're pointing. You're not tapping. Sorry. Another present. I don't have one of these. I love it. Thank you. Will I put this on my head? Take off my head? Take my helmet off? No. It'll... That's a big ask. Oh. This is taking a turn. Thank you for the... what I hope is not handcuffs. I'm sorry about the whole helmet thing. Unfortunately, I need oxygen to breathe, so... 2 rings of 8. Oh, 2. You little rascal. This is oxygen! I still don't think I can do it, though. Sorry. It's just, if I'm wrong, I'm really wrong.